Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the clip feature in ArcGIS 10. I'm going to be using the Staffordshire outline again and rivers data for the entirety of the UK. Now the clip feature allows you to reduce the size of one shapefile to the shape of another. So I'm going to be cutting down the rivers background to fit the Staffordshire boundary data. To do this you go Geoprocessing Clip, and in the input features you're going to want to put the feature that you want to clip. So in this case it's the rivers. The clip feature you're going to set as the boundary data, because that's the feature we want to use as the cookie cutter, if you like, to create the new shape. Then you're going to want to rename your output class as something suitable, like river. This XY tolerance box, that's just if your data is not particularly accurate, so you can set kind of like a boundary to which it clips to. It's not really important if you're using fairly accurate data though, like this. When you're happy, click OK, and if the clip's successful, you'll get the box down here with the tick in, like we've got now. If I take off the original layers, you'll see that we now have the clipped layer of rivers, which will go in our Staffordshire boundary. Thanks for watching. Keep checking out my channel for more videos on how to use ArcGIS 10. Thanks for watching.